Over there.
There's a real one way over there.
See it pushing against that churn container thing?
And Harry, what are those big things that have like a big shovel coming off of them?
Oh, there's a big one right there.
Is that an excavator?
Yeah.
And then behind that big excavator, there's a dump truck. You can come over here and see it.
Well, we're going to keep you where you are because no one wants to really walk on these rocks for a minute. Harry, we're going to share this video with Cousin Elliot because I'm sure he would like to see all these cool vehicles too, huh? Can you tell Elliot what you see? What do you see?
Bulldozer and another bulldozer kind of pushing a train container and an excavator and some North vehicles. I don't know what they're for.
Wow. Can you turn and say hi to Elliot?
Hi!
Do you miss Elliot?
Yes.
Elliot misses you too. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. Can you say hi, Owen? No. Can you say hi, Owen? Say hi, Owen.
I am.
Yeah. Good job.
It's got these metal stuff.
Can you say hi, Elliot?
Hi, Elliot.
Can you say hi, Owen?
Hi, Owen.
Hi, Elliot and Owen. We hope you like these construction vehicles we found.